So this is the ice maker, super simple. Right inside you got the basket and you got a little scooper. This is for the ice. I can pull it out and store it inside of this little notch right there for while it's making ice. So I got it hooked in. This is the first time that I've ever used this thing. All you got to do is take some filtered water right here. I'm going to pour it right on in, and if you look, you see some holes right here. So pour it on in. And even when ice is produced, what's going to happen is it's going to come out of here, fall into this tray, and if it ever starts to melt, then the melted water will fall into those holes as well. I'm going to turn it on. And if you listen, very quiet, it's already started. It takes between 6 and 13 minutes to produce a batch of ice, just depending on how cold the room is. Check out how much ice it made. Oh my gosh, a whole batch. Let's put it inside some drinks. The ice comes out as a bullet shaped with a hole inside. There you go. All right, let's drink. Hey.
Tastes like cold.
It tastes like ice. Also, unboxing and setup is super quick. You just pull it out, attach the handle. There's a couple of things to pull out on the inside of the container, and it's just plug and play from there. Pretty cool.